Yo, what is up guys? This is Harry from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're gonna be showing you a quick tutorial on how to actually create bulk AI videos with VO3. Now, if you are running or planning to run a faceless channel, whether that be on YouTube, TikTok, and trying to scale that business, you need this tool. And if you are not using it, then you are wasting your time, literally. For those who are not familiar with this channel, again, I'm Harry and I do post a lot of AI tutorials, ways to make money online, and a bunch of other informational stuff. So make sure to stick around for the long run. And yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this tutorial. Now, the regular way of you creating your videos on Google Flow, Google VO3, whatever you want to call it, is just go into the page of VO3, click on new project or start your new project. Then from here, you just start typing your prompts one by one manually. So you write your prompts, wait for the results, and just you cannot do really much else besides that. So you can only do one prompt at a time, and this is not practical. This is why this extension really helps you a lot. So in order to get this tool or extension, go to Bing, Google, whatever you use to search the net and type in Autoflow Video AI and click on the first link that pops up. And it should be a Chrome extension that leads to the Google Store. So click on it and you should have this extension right here. The next thing to do is just click get. And mind you guys, this is 100% free, so you can use it freely. Click on add extension, and once you do that, click on view extension and pin the new extension so you can see it in the top bar right here. Now head back to Google Flow right here and click on sign up right here and sign up with a new account. Create your new account for this extension right here. Get your OTP and verify your account. Click verify and you should have this extension ready to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is select the creation mode. So if you want to create videos from text, select text to video. If you want to create videos from images, then you can select frames to videos. So this is the way to go about it. Now, as you can see here, we have the prompts section. So we're gonna leave it as text to video, and we are gonna start writing our prompts. For the prompts, you can use pretty much ChatGPT or whatever tool that you use to write prompts with for each video. But I do recommend Write Sonic is just free, easy, also AI agent that helps you write scripts for these faceless AI videos, and it does help a lot in the long run if you are trying to scale these channels as well. Now, before pasting our prompts, we can go to the settings tab right here, and as you can see, we can choose the output per task. So we can choose the outputs of each task or prompt that we have. So for each prompt, we're gonna have 2 videos, so select 2. And in here, you can select the different models for VO3. You can select fast if you are trying to get these tasks done very quickly. And if you prioritize quality, then select VO 3.2 quality. And that's gonna take a bit of time. But let's just stick with the fast model. In here, you can select the ratio as well, which is 16:9. The average aspect ratio for a lot of content on YouTube and other social media platforms, so leave it at that. And start from prompt 1, leave it at that. You just leave it at 1, do not change it. The media creation wait time, also leave it at that too. And the language, leave it at English. For now, it's just supports only English. It does not support any other language. And for the batch size, you can select how many prompts you're gonna put in this tool. So you can write up to 10 prompts, and you're gonna have about 20 videos because we selected 2 as an output for each prompt. Now, as you can see, this is gonna save you a lot of time, and if you are building a sequence and a scene where you need these short clips, then this is the perfect tool that you can use. So let's just, for example, use 3 in our case, and we're gonna start using this tool right away. So you can also here change the name of the folder. You can name it whatever you want to like. Let's just say, for example, you want to name it test1 or whatever the case might be. You can change the name right here. And I also forgot to mention that the video that will be created in here, they will be auto downloaded to your PC, so you don't even need to download those videos manually. Okay, so it's really a good tool to have. Now once you have configured your settings, go back to the control and just start writing your prompts right here. Now I just added the prompts for each scene. I created, or I'm aiming to create like 3 scenes. So this is the first one right here. It starts with a cinematic opening of a modern creator workspace at night, a laptop on a desk showing a video timeline and a dashboard, soft blue lightning. So I'm just being descriptive about the whole scenery right here. And the second one, what you need to do is just click enter and leave a space between the two. That way this extension knows that this is the end of the first prompt and this is the second prompt right here. And the second prompt is basically a continuation of the first one, and so on and so on. So the second is also, the third one is also a continuation to the second one. And again, make sure to leave a blank space between the two. Now once you are done pasting your prompts, it should look like this. And what you can do is just click on add like this, and you can see the prompts have been added to the queue. Now select all of these if you want to clear them all, and if you want to clear some parts individually, click the trash bin icon right here. Now these like prompts are just exemplary prompts, so I don't have any really goal besides showing you guys how this tool works. So yeah, you just need to put more thoughts basically into your prompt before attempting to use it. The last thing to do is just click or hit start queue just like this, and everything will be added automatically. As you can see, the settings that we applied are just being also applied in the dashboard of VO3, and voila, just like this, the scenes are being created for each prompt that we have. So we do have a total of 12 prompts, as you can see guys right here, and we already 3 prompts in, or 3 segments in of the whole entirety of those prompts. As you can see, we are doing progress, and a lot of the videos and prompts that we put in here are being generated individually. So this is the first one that we did, it's done, and this is the second one, it's done too. And you can look at the top right corner right here. Each video that we are creating is being downloaded automatically to our laptop right here, so we can edit those videos later on. So you can see the power of this tool. It just saves you immense time while creating these videos. And yeah, you can see how this is gonna change the way that you're gonna carry on your tasks or carry on your creative process when it comes to these faceless channels. Now we are done generating these clips inside of VO3. You can add these scenes or these clips to a scene individually, or you have the clips that you downloaded to your local PC. You can go to CapCut. I do really like CapCut because it's just very convenient to use, and it's so straightforward and easy for beginner to edit videos as well. You can load those videos and use some fancy effects, some fancy text inside of here, and you can have a good video that is good to go for TikTok, YouTube, or any social media platform. Now for the extension, again, you can do the same basically for the frames to video. If you have some frames right here, or images, if you got some avatar references, you can load your images right here. Click on select images and pretty much load those images, and for each image you load, you gonna have a prompt respectively. So for the first one, you're gonna have a first prompt, and for the second one, you're gonna have a second prompt, third one, and so on and so on. So that's how you're gonna carry on the same tasks if you're gonna use the frames to video option. So that's the way to do it, and the same can be said for these last two as well. And just a final reminder that you guys have a daily limit of 100 prompts, so you can really create up to 100 prompts daily using this tool. Alright guys, we have reached the end of our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please comment, subscribe, and do the usual YouTube stuff. We are in need of those actually, since we are starting this journey with you guys. And as you can see, we truly appreciate every like and subscribe that we can get. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves guys, and see you in the next one, in peace.